Welcome to Swallow Web Application SWAPP. In this video, we'll be discussing a new function that is being added to SWAPP known as location based stock taking. In order to access this new function, select the main heading stock taking under which we have location stock taking. Select it and user will be taken to this new function. In order to make this function working in SWAPP, we need to have a one-time configuration for a location to be done in Swallow desktop application. And it will be to this location, the pallets that are not found during the process of stock taking will be getting moved. If this configuration is missing, whenever the user selects this new middle point, he will be getting a warning message that location to denote missing pallets is not configured. So first let's configure that. For that, log into Swallow. There under the heading Global, User Parameters, MPS. In the second section for stock, first row, third column. There we specify to which location we are moving those not found pallets. Save the data, come back to SWAP and refresh the page. Now, since we have done this configuration, the warning message is good and now we are ready for doing the stock taking. So let's scan the location and position for which we are going to do the stock taking. Either location or position alone can also be scanned. Here, let's scan both together. Now, all the pallets available in the system for the scan location position combination will be getting listed. And once you select a pallet, its corresponding item and pallet info will be populated here. Let's select a pallet. In order to select a pallet, either you can click or scan. Let's select a pallet here. The scenario for stock taking by location we will be explaining with the help of 6 scenarios. Scenario 1. The quantity has to be updated during the process of stock taking. All other remains the same. So let's change the quantity to the actual value. Confirm the data, and once confirmed, the entry will be changed to green color and the last change date will also be modified. Now scenario 2. We found that no data are to be modified and we can confirm the data. Then also the selected palette will be changed to green color and last change date will be modified. Now scenario 3. Select the palette and it was identified that the selected palette that is present in this list is actually not present here but to a nearby location. Since we know the details, we can do its stock taking and update it to the actual location. Confirm the data and we have completed its stock taking. Now the color has been changed to red and last change date is also modified. The color code indicates that whichever pallets are in this specified scan location and position for which we are doing the stock taking, it will be shown in green color and the pallets that are not in that stock location will be shown in red color. Now we have scenario 4. During the process of stock taking, physically a pallet is present in this location, but it is not added to the system. So we can add that pallet to the system, to this particular list. Scan the pallet for which we have to add to this list. The pallet is added. The entry is in red color since it is in another location. We can move it to the corresponding location. The data is updated here. Once we confirm, it is changed to green color and the last change date is also modified. Now we have the fifth scenario. During the process of stock taking, we found a pallet which is present but it is not recorded anywhere in the system or the labels can be missing. In such case, we can add it to this corresponding list. For that, click on this plus button. Specify what is the quantity in this new found pallet. To which location and position we want to change it. It can either be to the same stock taking location or to some other location. Confirm the data. Now we have added a new pallet with a new pallet number and it is there in this list. Now the last scenario. The operator could not find the remaining pallets, and if such case happens, he can move it to a pre-configured location which we had set up in desktop application. For that, we have not found confirm button. Click on that and system calculates how many pallets are remaining in this list for which the stock taking process is still not done. We have two pallets here which are still in black colors. We are going to move it. Click on OK. Once we move that, its color will be changed to red, but the last change date will not change since we have not done the stock taking for those. And this is how we do stock taking by location in SWAPP. Hope it is clear to you all. Thank you for watching.